Alright, gangsters, we're back with another vlog on the YouTube. It's been a while. We're here at Axel. Axel, what are we doing?
What are we doing?
What are we doing? Why is the place all gutted out? I'll show you guys why. Zam. Speaker rack. And you get the Starlights. I think you can kind of see it. The black suede. Alright, tell the viewers what you got.
What I got? What?
What you got? I already showing the speaker rack, but what brand? You know what I'm saying? What speakers you get?
Oh, they're over there.
They're over there?
Some Sylvesters.
Heard you. Let's go. We got Johnny in the cut. We got little Kevin here. Sheesh. The Apocalypse Sylvester, something like that. With the amp. Where's the amp? The amp. Yes, sir. And the epicenter. All new wiring. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the grill with the lights too. You guys be banging. So, alright, show them everything. Currently, what are you doing? You're just running all the wires?
I'm clearing all the old stuff out.
Word. Okay. And we got Kevin. Kevin, what are we gonna do with your truck today?
Show them the wheel lights.
Oh, let's go show your new character. So let's go show your wheel lights.
Hold on, we gotta buy the other nut we have.
Let us see your work.
Bro, we gotta first get the nut.
Nah, let's go. Let's go right now. We gotta show the views. You gotta come with it. You're the owner.
Go. Come on, Johnny. Come on, son.
Come on, Johnny. Let's go.
Come on, Johnny. God dang.
We got the next project build right here coming up soon. The Silverado, the drag truck. Got mine. Banging. There it is. The long schlong. FedEx is here. Alright, tell the viewers everything you've done so far. This is the first time your truck's gonna be on YouTube.
Nothing, to be honest.
Alright. I'll go one by one. So, explain, bro.
So, I dropped it.
Okay, what's the drop?
2.4 right now. Base
Okay, what else?
Just the wheels, and then the muffler, and then some basic stuff. Yeah.
He copied me with the exhaust. You know, he has to be like me. Turn on the wheel lights. Let's see. Damn. Is that zip ties?
Yeah.
Fine.
You had to do anything you gotta do.
What, the bullet? Damn. Okay. The headlights. Alright, let's see the interior.
My shirt can't open, by the way.
It's okay, you don't know tint. Damn.
A little messy.
Oh, look, the new tail lights. The tail lights are cracked already. Look.
Oh.
New tail lights? With water in them already? Oh my goodness.
Hey, that's the...
There is Kevin's new character for the vlogs now. He'll be in upcoming vlogs whenever. Alright, back to the work. Look at my son growing up. Look at him. He's replacing the nuts because we told him he cannot reuse the same one.
It's Ford. It's built for tough.
Okay, but Ford says do not reuse. That means don't reuse.
No, it doesn't, bro. Where does it say that?
Why are you littering? Alright guys, you torqued it down all the way 300 foot-pounds. Even though we explained it like so many times in our past videos.
Oh, fuck!
Yo, game.
Did you? Bro, you broke the torque wrench.
How the fuck did I break it?
No. You broke the torque wrench.
No, I didn't. Yo, how the fuck does it break? Oh, there we go.
Alright guys, cut the cameras. Go and walk up, tell them what happened. Let's get this live reaction.
No bueno. Hey, Axel. Ran into a little problem. What is it about? Fuck. What did you do? I was talking, now you hear the boom. That's okay. Good thing it's not mine.
Yeah, it's mine.
Hey, your impact is fucked up too. Nice.
He's about to beat your ass.
Bro, how the fuck this shit
Right,
break?
let's go get food. You're going to Harbor Freight and get the work.
Oh, let's go, guys.
Go.
Go.
Don't break the new one. This is the new one now.
Yeah, you're not even in there. How'd you do it? Huh? You did it with that right.
You can't even fit that on there.
Well, then fit.
The master tech's gonna show you.
Johnny, we need your weight. Nah, Johnny's skinny. What y'all talking? Why y'all niggas
I
hating?
need $20 if y'all.
$20 if I could do it.
Put your whole fucking weight.
No. 20 bucks if I do it.
$10 if you can't do it.
If I shake on it.
Hurry up, go.
Shake on it.
Just work on your damn truck. There you go.
Finally.
Give me $10.
I need shit.
There you go. Learning. All right, now clean up. Let us know when you're on the other side. We're gonna eat pizza. Look at my son. He got it torqued down.
Oh, show the wheel lights.
Look at the wheel lights. Yes, sir. He's growing up so much. All right, back to the main thing for this video, for this vlog. Oh, nice. You got the amp hooked up?
Yep.
Sheesh. Okay. What's next after that? You gonna do the epicenter?
I don't know how I'm doing that.
Heard ya. Oh, my fault, player. So what? What's the plan for today? Like the end of the day? Just to see if it works. Heard ya. Hey, bro, can you keep it down over there? All right, here we are. Here we go. The first speaker's going in. Damn. Okay. All right, Kevin, get the drill bit and don't miss. Make sure you get it right in the hole. Don't hit the speaker.
Bro, I almost put my finger through the speaker.
I got it.
Heard ya. You don't need to trim these? Do you just stay like
I
that?
got you, bro.
You don't have to trim.
Oh.
This.
What's this guy doing, bro? Where'd you find this
I
guy?
don't even know what else. We picked him up from Round Rock down the street, bro. We picked him up from a country club trash, nigga.
Hey, I might disconnect all these wires.
Let's connect them. I know where they go. Cut them. I can rewire them.
It's just paper, bro. Wow, what we got? Damn, the first one is in. Crystal clear. All the screws. Damn. Majestic. My son Edwin's here now too. Look at him. Look at my 3 kids all together. Yes, sir. Here we are. Zam. Oh, be careful, not.
Should we do it for content?
Straight to the speaker.
Whoa.
Damn. You only putting 3 on?
3.
Like 3.
There's 4 over there. Yeah, I'm only putting 2 on for now.
Oh, okay. I was just saying.
I mean, 2's better. These are grip.
Yeah.
They grip. I have to solder this because I ran out of wire. We had perfect amount.
You ran out of wire?
Yeah. Because it's going to go right here. Yep, we literally had perfect.
Where we at?
You got 4 speakers in total. Got 2 more. But
Axel
I think we ran out of wire.
Hey, no one has hit me up to sell the truck, dude. I'm offering 20 bands right now. Y'all see over there.
Well, you're offering 20 bands to buy your own truck?
Yeah, dude.
There is this truck right there, guys. The one we did the drop kit on.
God, leave me. Hey, Johnny, why are you hiding? But Johnny's hiding.
Hey, get Johnny. Get Johnny.
Johnny.
I don't think...
There's Johnny, guys.
Johnny, say hi to the vlog. Shout out to who, Johnny? Shout out to who?
My fans out there.
Johnny got fans is crazy. Where we going?
Mexico.
Mexico. I heard that. There he goes. Where is he? Look at his face. Oh shit. Oh shit, he was standing. Oh shit! Oh shit! Now you a hoe.
Bro, I thought you got off.
No, look at your mirror. Your side mirrors. Like, look at them. You could have seen them and jump off.
I saw the truck lift up, so I was like, this nigga's gone.
He put the blicky out. Bye guys. Oh yeah. How was it? How was the Uber ride?
That shit was ass.
1-star rating?
No, negative. I'm reporting them. I'm suing them.
All right, back to work, guys. Damn, curb rash. What you need?
No knee. Oh, right there.
Just a little bit. You'll be all right.
Oh, not that.
Damn. All right, guys. After the accident, here we are on the last speaker going in. As you can see, we started in the daytime. It's currently getting dark. Why is it taking so long, good sir?
Patience is key. We're doing it clean. Do it right. Do it once.
There you go.
Look at this. Oof.
Wise
My
wisdom.
cleanest work yet.
Sheesh. Nice. You can get some wire looms, like put all them together in one thing or no?
Nah.
I heard you.
I'm gonna add 3 more subs.
Three more subs, heard you. We're gonna put the
5
other.
more amps.
I don't think there's enough space back here for all
So
that.
guys, it's kind of fucking cold out here. The heater's in the truck.
Yep. Where is it at right now? It's on.
That's the outside weather.
Oh, outside weather. Heard you.
49. It feels like it's fucking 30.
Heard you. It does. It's the wind.
I think I got frostbite in my feet, but it's alright.
All right. This is the main vlog. This is the main part of the vlog, but we have side quests along the way. Everyone, you good? Oh, good. All right, we'll get back to you on when this thing's up and running. You're gonna have it playing too, right? Or what?
Oh yeah.
I bet we'll get that when we get there. First test run. Did it turn on?
It's on.
Oh, word, it's on. Let's hear the mud. Let's hear the mud. Sheesh.
Oh, we got noise.
We got noise. Where'd it go?
No, we got noise. No,
No, there's the Starlights, everybody. Sheesh. That last one doesn't look like it's on. Doesn't kind of sound like it's on. It sounds like it's hissing. Or is that just me?
they all do.
They all do? Oh.
Oh wait, look.
Zam, zam, zam. Look at the little Starlights. Sheesh. My kid's over there. Damn.
Boom, boom.
Damn.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Back at it again. Bro, what's... Oh, hold on. What happened? It works, it works. And what's with the tell the viewers what's with the stick in the middle, the pole, the wood.
So the thing kind of fucking fell off.
What did the person who did it for you, what did he say?
We don't speak on downfall.
Alright guys. He's gonna get it fixed soon. He's gonna take it back and see what we're wrong. Probably just too much weight or whatever. But we will see. Alright, this has to be the end of this vlog. We had 2 fails today. Edwin fell off a truck. The headliner fell. That is it for the vlog.
Johnny's getting him.
Damn. Johnny's in trouble. Alright, we will catch y'all in the next vlog.
Hey, next vlog is me running Kevin over.
Oh yeah, that's next vlog. Alright, bet. Catch you on the next one.